Hi, my name is Ashley, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do rainbow fluffy slime. Okay, so for this slime recipe, you're going to need some empty bowls. You're also going to need some white glue, some food coloring, contact solution, liquid starch, some shaving cream, and some popsicle sticks to help you mix. So I'm going to start off with the glue. I'm going to pour some glue inside of this bowl. Okay, once you have some glue inside of your bowl, you're going to put in some shaving cream, just like that. I'm gonna pour a little bit of contact solution and a little bit of liquid starch. Okay, I'm gonna mix it up, and then once it's all mixed, I can see if we need to add more of any of the ingredients that we just added in. Okay, so once it's to your desired consistency, I'm going to split this batch into 2 different bowls so we can have 3 bowls of slime, and we can add some food coloring to each of them. Okay, so now that you've split the slime into 2 to 3 different bowls, I'm gonna add some food coloring. And you can use popsicle sticks to mix each of them up. Okay, so now that you have all 3 slimes ready to go, we're going to combine them all together and mix them up to make rainbow slime. Okay, now that you have all 3 colors in the same bowl, I'm going to mix it up slowly. And so that's how you make rainbow slime.